For our first experiment, I will use a container, 1/2 cup of sand, a cup of water, and the cheesecloth. First step, mix the water and the sand. Second step, pass the mixture to a cheesecloth. Third step, observe what happened. You know what happened? The sand is filtered while the water passed through the cheesecloth. This technique is filtering. For our second experiment, we will use a wet rug and a wooden table. Since we have no wood table, we will use a wood surface. Step 1. Scrub the surface using a wet cloth or rug. Then we will wait for 3 to 5 minutes. See you later! After 5 minutes, this happens. The wooden surface becomes dry. You know what's the technique? Evaporation. See you in our next experiment. For our third experiment, we will use 3 tablespoons of rice grains, 4 tablespoons of flour, a strainer, and a plate. Step 1. Mix 3 tablespoons of rice grains and 4 tablespoons of flour in a plate. Step 2. Sift the mixture. You know what happened? The flour was already sifted, while the rice grains were not sifted. You know what is the technique? The technique is sieving. See you in our next experiment. For our fourth experiment, we will use 1 cup of sand, 3 cups of water, and a small container. Step 1. Mix a cup of sand to 3 cups of water in a container. Step 2. Pour the water from the glass. As you can see, the water got separated from the sand. The technique used is decantation. See you in our last experiment. For our last experiment, we will use a magnet, nails, coins, and small rocks. Step 1. Mix the nails, coins, and small rocks. Step 2. Use a magnet to separate the mixture. As you can see, the nails are attracted to the magnet, while the coins and the small rocks are not attracted by a magnet. The technique used is use of magnet. This is it for our experiments. Bye!